At times in life, we keep chasing certain goals and forget to see the beauty of things around us. This sudden unplanned trip to Sikkim is proving to be one of the best surprises nature has offered me in my life. I truly felt connected to nature and was spellbound by its beauty. In the past two episodes of Sikkim series on my channel, we reached here from Bagdogra and explored Pelling in West Sikkim. We are still in Pelling, and in today's video I'll talk about Singshore Bridge, the one I had mentioned in my previous video, Change Falls and trekking to Rabdonse ruins. Watch this video till the end to feel this beauty along with me. In this video I have shared the cab charges, time taken and all the details needed to plan your West Sikkim trip. So this is my first time at making a travelogue. If you are first time viewer to my channel, please click on subscribe because there are a lot of new videos coming up like this. I make videos on fitness, diet, lifestyle, travel and much more. As I have already mentioned in the previous video, we covered these list of attractions in the first day and the cab charges were 2,500 rupees. On day 1 of our Pelling sightseeing, we covered Skywalk and started towards Dentam. This is located at 1.5 hour distance from Pelling. Generally, people on a tight schedule visit Pelling and miss this place and cover nearby tourist attractions. But in my experience, this place is a must visit and you should include it whenever you are planning to visit Sikkim. Our time is around 11 am and we are heading towards Dentam in zero visibility. I'm a little skeptical and scared too. I hope the weather changes soon. I have heard that weather changes soon in mountains and I really hope to see some sun. Let's see how this journey is going to be. We are passing through Dentam river below on our way to Singshore Bridge and the scenic beauty is just amazing. Something which cannot be captured in words. ये जो आप देख रहे हैं ये हम ब्रिज से क्रॉस कर रहे हैं. कुछ देर पहले जीरो विजिबिलिटी था, अभी थोड़ा क्लियर है एंड इट इज रेनिंग एंड इट इज फॉगी. So we have reached Singshore Bridge and this is the second highest bridge in Asia and the ride from Pelling took around 1 hour, 45 minutes to 1 hour to reach Singshore Bridge. I don't know if this cameras do justice but the journey had almost zero visibility and it was like we were traversing among clouds और जगह इतना सुंदर है that I don't know if any camera or if any video can do justice to this. तो इस साइड पे आप देखिए यहाँ से पानी आ रहा है and there are lot of streams. बहुत सारे झरना है इधर और वो नीचे आके एक रिवर में मिल रहा है एंड देन इस साइड पे वैलीज है एंड दिस इज नियर विलेज उटारे. ना उटारे इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट सीनिक विलेजेस इन द वर्ल्ड. हमने सोचा था कि हम वहाँ थोड़ा वॉक करेंगे और थोड़ा फील करेंगे बट द वेदर इज नॉट सपोर्टिंग. इट इज लिटरली इट्स लाइक वी आर स्टेइंग विद इन क्लाउड्स, वॉकिंग विद इन क्लाउड्स. और शायद इस साइड अभी दिख जाए, यहाँ से पानी आ रहा है, yes the white one and that's the stream and this is at a very high altitude and even here so I could even here there is water. और ऐसा नहीं है कि हम यहाँ पे बहुत सारा कैप्चर आवर DSLR का जो लेंस है इट इज़ गेटिंग फॉगी एंड इट इज़ मिस्ड. इट इज़ वेरी कोल्ड हियर. मैंने इतना कोल्ड एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था इस टाइम सिक्किम पे एंड इट इज़ एन ऑसम आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड एक्सपीरियंस. सिक्किम इज़ रियली आई एम फीलिंग लाइक कि ये रियली हेवन है. सो don't miss Pelling if you are on your trip for Sikkim and spend at least 2 to 3 days here. सो दिस इज़ द प्लेस जहाँ हम लोग ये सिंगशोर ब्रिज के जस्ट बिसाइड है। और अभी तक हमने जो सिक्किमीज़ फूड ट्राई नहीं किया है, तो लंच टाइम के आसपास है और हम इधर सिक्किमीज़ फूड ट्राई करने वाले हैं। So they are using these traditional methods of earthen cooking. So this is a ginger wine and ये यहाँ पे locally produce किया गया है. We'll taste and let you know how it is. ये हम जो Sikkimese place में आए हैं to have a local Sikkimese meal. I'll cover it all. First we'll start with ginger wine. सिक्किमीज थाली जो फर्स्ट टाइम हम खा रहे हैं, तो इसको बोलते हैं गुंद्रुक का सूप, जो कि एक लोकल ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल को फर्मेंट करके, दिस इज़ वेरी न्यूट्रिशियस बाय नेचर एंड हेल्प्स इन डाइजेशन। इसको बोला जाता है चुरपी, विच इज़ लोकल कॉटेज चीज़। ये है सोयाबीन बॉडी, दिस इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ ग्रीन वेजिटेबल। ये करेला, दिस इज़ अ पाउडर ऑफ सोयाबीन बॉडी फॉर एन अचार। ये है बी और ये है राई साग और ये है कुकुम्बर सैलड। पहले मैं खाना टेस्ट करती हूँ और बताती हूँ आपको ये टेस्ट कैसा है। ये सूप तो बहुत टेस्टी है। तो ये जो हमने सिक्किमीज फूड ट्राई किया, टेस्ट तो बहुत ही अच्छा था, लाजवाब टेस्ट। आई जस्ट लव द गुंद्रुक सूप। इट वाज मेडिसिनल एंड इट वाज हेल्दी, इट वाज यम्मी, इट वाज टेस्टी। इसका प्रिपरेशन भी आपने देख लिया कैसे बनता है। और यहाँ पे हमें सेल रोटी मिला, जो कि राइस फ्लोर से बना हुआ रोटी है, जो हम स्नैक्स के साथ, चाय के साथ कभी भी खा सकते हैं। जब हम चाय के साथ ही अपने होमस्टे में खाएंगे तो आपको दिखाएंगे। तो अगर आप सिंगशोर ब्रिज आ रहे हैं तो ये प्लेस ज़रूर विजिट कीजिए फॉर लोकल ट्रेडिशनल सिक्किमीज फूड एंड यू विल नॉट रिग्रेट इट। इट इज़ सो गुड। So now I have reached Change Falls. This is on the route from Pelling to Singshore Bridge. I covered it while returning from Singshore Bridge. This is a beautiful waterfall that I see. Water is so beautiful. The roads are not that good, but don't miss this waterfall once you are planning to visit Singshore or you are in this Pelling area. This is breathtakingly beautiful, and there are valleys this side you can see, and the entire mountain range is visible from here. And then the entire area, the entire place is so beautiful, feels like a slice of heaven in your hands. बहुत सुंदर है ये जगह, आप इसको कभी भी मिस मत कीजिए इस जगह को। Hi guys, so I'm at a place known as Rabdanse Ruins, and which is situated in Pelling. And to go through this, you have to pass a bird park, which is Sidkeng Tulku Bird Park. Unfortunately, it is closed now because of some construction work going on due to COVID or something. This is into dense forests, and let's see how the place is. I'll let you know the significance of the place as we walk in. Till now, I have not paid any entry fee as I enter here. I'll update you once if somebody asks me for that. So I have trekked almost halfway, I think, been 20-25 minutes that we are trekking, and we are going up there, steep, and there is absolutely no sunlight. Weather is good, and let's see when we reach to the top of the place. The trek is enjoyable. The trek is enjoyable, and we are loving it.
Okay, give me your mask.
I cannot even see. I've never been to such deep forest ever, and this is my first time that I'm trekking into such deep and dense forests. Let's see when we reach there. Reached the place, and behind me you can see the Rabdanse ruins. It is an extremely beautiful, peaceful and amazing place, and the view from here is too good after this 2 kilometers of trek. I'll be going here and taking some pictures, and I'll show you the view from top. So I am a little tired, and you can see in the background Abhi is carrying Uno, and these are the last steps to the top of the ruins. Now, Rabdanse ruins, the historical significance of this place is the second Chogyal of this dynasty, of some Namgyal or some dynasty, had shifted the capital of Sikkim when it was an independent country from Yuksom to Rabdanse. And these are the ruins of the capital palace, and it is surrounded by a lake. And I have heard that there is an awesome view when we reach at the top. So let me reach at the top and show you how it is. These are the rooms of the palace that existed, and the rooms has walls inside, and behind me you can see the entire complex. I so wish that I had got my tripod, or I wish I could have had a drone. So this place is so beautiful that no camera can do justice to the beauty I'm following. Behind me I can see clouds floating, and this is the residential complex of the palace area, just where I'm heading towards. And the place is very neat and nicely maintained with beautiful lawns, even after being at such a remote location where I had to trek for 2 to 3 kilometers to reach here. I'll take you along with me as I explore this place. If at all you can see, this is the surroundings of Rabdanse ruins in and around me, and I'm sitting at the residential complex. And this side you can see clouds floating on the sky, and lush, you can see behind this is the lush green forest through which we trekked our way up. And then there are flowers, there are lawns, and there are very this is very beautifully and neatly maintained. The flowers are beautiful, and then at the top you can see some Buddhist flags being shown. And we are spending here some time, and it just feels awesome and very peaceful here with great ambience. So this is the view from the residential complex. On the top you can see the building is Pemayangste Monastery, which we visited before this, and it looked that was an awesome place, a very religious and sacred monastery in Sikkim. And here I think this is the place of worship, and this is where I can see Pelling from, and the overall feel is very nice and peaceful. We are spending some time here. Cab charges to visit Rabdanse ruins and we had a lunch nearby was only 500 rupees from our homestay. It is very nearby Pelling, and if you are staying in Upper Pelling town, you can even you walk or trek down to this place. It is adjacent to Pemayangste Monastery. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. In the next video, I'll talk about how my life has been in mountains, because I stayed for long in this homestay. I'll provide all the details of the homestay I stayed in. I also worked from here. So stay tuned and watch in the next episode.
शिफ्ट होना है, हिल्स में शिफ्ट होना है, मगर कुछ ऐसा आइडिया नहीं आ रहा था क्या करने से इधर शिफ्ट हो जाएंगे। 2020 में जनवरी में मेरा हनीमून उसी रूम पे हुआ था, देख रहे हैं आप, कॉटेज के लास्ट रूम पे।